How's it going, YouTube? Today I have a nice and short, sweet video for you. I have the official Razer protective sleeve. This is the V2 for 15.6 inch notebooks. So this is going to cover all your Razer Blade 15 base model and advanced model needs. Upon first impression, I really, it's bittersweet with the packaging because I'm a sucker for good packaging. This is just like a very, very fancy manila envelope, which is fine because, good for the environment and all that. But I don't know, something about a nice box really gets me going. So if you guys are not familiar with this, this is the sleeve that has the built-in kind of long mouse pad here. So if you're taking this on some weird grimy university desks or wherever you do your traveling, you will have a nice mouse pad with you wherever you go. Has your Velcro, your durable material. We'll see how that feels in a second. And all in all, very simple, but I just wanted to unbox this for you so you guys could see if this was worth it for your new Razer laptop that you possibly got for Black Friday or these holiday deals that Best Buy is having. They are completely nuts. $13.50 for the base 2020 model, which is $450 off the base price of $17.99. That is a steal. Alright, so without further ado, let's dive right in. We got this little pull tab right here. Let me get into that. Actually, okay, nice and razory green on the inside. For gamers, by gamers, gotta get that in there. So let's see, first impressions. Okay. Nothing else in there, just nice and green. So let's just prop that up right here. So first impressions, this is like, I thought it was gonna be like a faux leather, but it's more of like a very like fancy feeling tarp almost. You have the Razer logo there, and it has some nice glittery, razory goodness there. Other than that, it's just a very simple laptop sleeve. So here I have my Razer Blade 15. This is the base model. You're gonna see how it fares inside of this. Let's see what we got here. That is very, very strong leather. So inside, it is a nice soft material. It's not really microfibery like I was anticipating, but it should do just well. And just in case you forgot what this was for, you have a nice little logo for the mouse. So if I were to be gaming on here, lift this up. Yeah, I could definitely see how that could work. I do like it, but where the actual case folds, it kind of has like somewhat of a divot, so that may catch you a little off guard while you're gaming. But this is very nice, not too much room, but this will definitely do. I do like it. Have the laptop nice and closed. Ooh. So this definitely is quite the package, but if you want to keep your Razer Blade nice and safe for the foreseeable future, I think this will definitely do it. Now I will say there's not much padding, so this is probably just to keep it free from nicks and scratches from inside your bag. Now if I'm being completely honest, is this worth the $45–50? If you are really into Razer products, you are going to love the Razer branding. I do like how they put the thought, oh that's really strong, the mouse pad right here. I think that is very nice for gamers, especially if you don't want to mess up the skates on your mouse pad on some random tabletop material and you have the consistency of that. I think if you have the money, this definitely could be a good buy or a good gift for you or one of your friends or something of that nature. But I will say, so you could pick up something like this from Amazon for roughly half the price. It has very nice soft material on the inside. Doesn't come with a nice little mouse pad or Razer branding, but this thing gets the job done. Has a nice little zipper for extra like things that you need to put in there, maybe even the charging brick. And this is not, you know, a laptop carrying case. It really is just a minimal sleeve, and aesthetically I like it. It's not quite up to snuff with the price tag, but that's just kind of what you get with Razer. However, I think if you get this and you are a fan, you will definitely enjoy it. But if you're just looking for any kind of laptop case or sleeve, definitely look up Amazon. Just make sure you get something that fits 15.6 inches. And other than that, I really hope that you guys got something from this video. If you have never seen one of these or you just wanted to see one in action, here you go. Here it is. Awesome Razer logo branding. You know, built for gamers by gamers. You can bust this out. Get your game on and go play. Well, without further ado, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions or if you found this video useful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Other than that, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.